thing we want to do is remove the side cover on the left side of the ATV. That's going to give us access to the dipstick. Then we'll remove the dipstick. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. Up next, using a 19mm socket, we'll go ahead and unthread the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is a good chance to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. And we'll simply reinstall the bolt, and this time torque it to 21 foot-pounds. Using a 65mm oil filter wrench, we're going to remove the oil filter and discard it to the side. Now, to prepare this oil filter for installation, we're going to apply a thin coat of oil on the rubber gasket on the outside of the filter. That's going to help replacing it on the next service a lot easier. And we'll simply re-thread it back in place of the old one and torque this to 12 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Now this model has two different variants. It has an automatic and a manual. If your version is the automatic, it holds 2.6 quarts, and if your version is the manual, it holds 3.5 quarts. And this is 10W40 ATV oil. We'll reinstall our dipstick. And now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system good. And once it's done that, we'll shut it down and let it sit for a few moments. That's going to allow the oil to settle to the bottom of the crankcase. Now we'll simply remove our dipstick and wipe off the excess oil and reinsert it and check our oil level. And this looks perfect. We're right in the middle of the stick. Let's hit the trails.